Don't worry about the bench, people, because this stack is loaded. Let me tell you what, with Kane to block number 42 coming in and driving it in there with the Memphis Grizzlies. And then Hugh Berryman, the shooting guard, that'll come in and shoot the lights out. There's a backwards fadeaway jump shot. Dylan Nelson's a great power forward that knows how to cut into the paint like he does here. He's got nothing but open space. He looking to get up top. Count that dunk and the foul. Devin Harris with the blocking foul. And then Brandon Osborne is going to take up some space at the point guard as he looks to get his shot over the tall defender. Got it. David Omata, the defensive specialist, takes the steal, and he's going to drive it up court himself as he gets a pull-up, Jay. Count it. And then Chris Chang, the big man, the mayor, is going to come in and fly like an eagle right over Blake Griffin. That's big-time stuff. And finally, the biggest little man in the NBA, Numanon. Pull up Jay for the win. Count it! Oh, this bench is incredible. The preseason's over, Pruitt. Time to get big.